Managing small groups is a top concern of teachers according to our national poll, Top 10 Challenges for Teachers. And rightly so. Managing small groups is like herding cats sometimes. You know what I'm saying. I mean, first it's the giggles, then a lot of general silliness followed by some blurting out. And before you know it, half the group is off task. Well, here at Really Good Stuff, we've got your back with strategic small group solutions for maximizing instruction and minimizing interruptions, plus tips and tricks from real teachers like you. Discover innovative, time-saving products and resources for initiating routine and smooth transitions. Watch our product demonstration videos to understand the best ways that you can guide students into listening, learning, and focusing. Click below for expert tips on managing small groups. Questions? Send us a message or leave us a comment on social media or email us at writeus@reallygoodstuff.com.